Okay, Lake 10 was not too bad today. It was really slow. I caught some off the incoming water of the lake, but I found this back pocket that the water's going out on. I caught an 8-pounder, 8 pounds, 6 ounces, and it had a tag hanging from it. The tag means it's $100 cash prize to me. So I just won $100, no matter what. Happy Father's Day to me. So, anyways, I have never caught a tagged fish yet in Tenoroc. This is my first one. I knew I'd get one sooner or later, but I'll put all this together. I got a good video of it. I'm in a back pocket so tight, so, oh my God, it was so hard to get in and out of. My kayak is so full of tree limbs and tree branches and leaves and I don't know what else going through there. So everybody called it quits, and I was just still out there, and I said, you know what, I'm finding the outgoing water. Once I found that outgoing water, the fish are back there in that outgoing water. So yeah, found a new pocket. I don't know how long it'll be hidden. I'll try not to make it so anybody can see where it's at, but I got $100. So y'all take it easy, and y'all have a good one. I am. Whoa, whoa. Oh. Show yourself. Show yourself. Yeah, you go. Yeah, there you go. There's hopefully my next 20. I gotta get rid of an 18. Hey, look at her. She's over 20. Upgrade. Yeah. Now you don't tangle in this. Thinking here, that water's been running since the first day I opened up. That water's been running like that, and this water level has not rised any. Okay, so there's got to be outgoing water somewhere in this lake. It's not a very big lake. Oh, whoa! What do I got? A bass or a monkfish? A huge bass. Oh yeah, there you go. I gotta figure out how to get hold of that bitch. Oh. Gotcha. You're mine. Ha ha! I found the open water. Oh yeah. That's what you call a baby there. Nice beast. Nice one. Where's my coupon? Where's my coupon? There it is. Okay. I come out here to little back pocket and I pulled this big old chunk out. Chunk out. And it's tagged. Isn't it? What the hell is that? Tagged. I got a fucking tag. Hey! My first tag, $100. Look at the size of that bitch. She's got to be fucking huge. £8, 6 ounces. Ha ha! Nice baby there. That's what you call it. Catch the monkey. Damn. That's fun.